Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Remify Music. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to make sure that you get notifications for the next videos, tutorials and resources I create, as well as helping me grow this channel to reach a larger audience and keep creating wonderful resources. Today I want to showcase one of my favorite resources that my students absolutely love, and I give this to all my younger students to get them started in their piano lessons. Now, they love it because it's color-coded and an easy way for them to reference all the information they need to get them started learning the piano. Now, yes, I know not all of you are piano teachers or are learning piano, and therefore the first two tabs, what I've actually done is, if you click on the PDF files link here on the first page, you can get access to a template that is for the first and second tabs, where you can actually change the content of those tabs and add them into your flipbook to best suit your studio. So to get started putting this flipbook together, you have to download this file, which is accessed by clicking the link in the description. From here, you get access to my free members area on my website. This will remain absolutely free forever. It is my way of creating a community and also showcasing some of my best products so that you can use in your studio or at home learning music and hopefully improving on your music theory skills. So once you've downloaded the file, you simply need to print on A4 size paper. If possible, this page onwards, single-sided. Do not do double-sided printing, because if not, you won't have the tabs aligned properly. Now, with this one purposely, I've left a margin to show you that sometimes the printer might leave a margin if you can't print borderless. And you simply have to cut along this line to make sure that the edges of each tab is flush with the edge of the page. Now you need to cut also on the bottom of each of these tabs in color as close as possible to that bottom line, so that what happens is you have all the tabs of different lengths then align to form the flipbook. Once you have that, then you simply have to put them together in order, and if you want, you can bind at the top, which this is what I've done, or you can simply staple. Is absolutely fine. Now, I do recommend laminating if you have that option, just so it lasts longer. So once you put this together, you can see that you have all the tabs aligned nicely and color-coded, right? And again, like I mentioned before, you can change the piano keys and piano fingers using the free Canva template that you can click in the PDF first page. Now, that gives you access to these templates where you can change the contents to better suit your studio and the instrument you teach or you're learning. Now, let's go through the tabs here. So we have the title front page, right? The piano keys, the piano fingers, which both of these tabs can be changed. We have the treble clef notes as well in ABC and Do Re Mi. We have the bass clef notes, the grand staff, as well as the bar lines. We have the tempo. We've got also the dynamics, the time signature, the articulations, the accidentals with the order of the sharps and flats, tones and semitones, the circle of fifths, the notes and the rests, and at the end here is the licensing, which allows you to print as many copies as you like for your home or studio. Remember, it's one file per teacher. So please, if any of your colleagues do like these worksheets, please direct them to my website to get their own personal copy as that they can use at their studio. So again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this resource. My students absolutely love it, that you can use it in your studio. Make sure to subscribe, like and follow my social media.